everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have another Aimeili swatch video for you today. So this is a 6 bottle set and they are 10ml each. On the back you have your preparation and removal, which is always handy, and you have your recommended finger placement when you are curing. So let's have a look and see what they sent me. So these are the older bottles. These are like what I call the signature bottles. So yeah, let me just pop these out and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first colour is 005, and it's this really nice pinky colour. So let's start swatching. As always, I will do one in normal speed with you and do the rest off camera. So with Aimeili gel polishes, when you put them on, before you cure them, just let them sit for sort of 20 seconds, something like that, if it goes on a bit streaky, just because obviously it's gel polish, so it needs a bit of time just to level out. But these level out pretty quickly, to be honest. I think probably 20-30 seconds is probably a bit long, but they are amazing polishes. I really like them. So that is one coat of this colour. Hopefully you can see it okay. It's really pretty, and as you can see, it's already leveled out already. So yep, that's the first coat of that one. What I will do is, as always, I will pop some music on and swatch them all. If I need to do a second coat, I will do it off camera and then let you know. And yeah, we'll have a look and see what they will look like together at the end. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I finished all the swatches, so they're all 2 coats each. So this one is 005. It's really pretty colour. And then this is 019. And it's really pretty as well. Really pretty colour. And then this one is 022. Really pretty. That is that one there. Give me 1 second. And this one is 032. So really nice nudie brown colour. And this one is 040. So it's a really nice grey bluey tone. And then the last one is 041, another nude. Some of these I'm pretty sure I've already got, but I like them anyway. I'm pretty sure some of them I've already got. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I think they're a really, really nice coloured set. Really, really nice. So yeah, I mean, it's perfect for this time of year as well. Perfect. So yeah, let me know any thoughts you have down below. Do you have a favourite colour? I think they're all really, really nice. I think it's a really nice set of colours. Really, really nice. So yeah, thank you Aimeili once again for sending me this out to swatch and have a play with. I will get some designs done soon. Okay, thank you everybody so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye. I will post some pictures at the end.